first thing that I have, I'm going to start with my tea. So I just have the regular classic green tea packs. Okay. I got turmeric tea with ginger. So there's no bag, it's just loose. So I'm gonna, it smells really weird, but it actually smells pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but that's what it looks like. And again, I got this at Earth Fair, the black turmeric tea with ginger.
Would be lemon, pineapple, fresh pineapple. I'm not using any jarred or canned fruit. Then I have my aloe vera, which many of you know I use it for my face, my skin, every night. So fresh aloe vera plant. I don't use the juice. I don't use the gel. This makes its own gel. If you can see all that slimy goodness in there, I'm using the fresh leaf. Also, world-renowned apple cider vinegar with the mother. I have cayenne pepper. Yeah, it's time to turn it off 1 minute. It's crying at me. So pretty much that's it. Oh, I'm sorry. One last thing. Honey. This is probably the only thing that I didn't get that was pretty much natural and organic. It's just a regular Food Line brand pure honey. Don't say fresh from the bees or nothing like that. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you each thing and why it's important for weight loss for each of the ingredients that I've used.
And we're going to talk about is turmeric. Turmeric is that orangey red powder like seasoning that a lot of people use. I know it's known in like Indian cultures. They cook with it a lot. They dye with it a lot. Yeah, so turmeric. So pretty much turmeric helps relieve stomach disorders like gas, bloating, and further improvement bowel movements that help you lose weight. So one of the key things when it comes to losing weight that I've noticed throughout the many of years that I have gone on fad diets itself, starving myself, I'm just being honest, going vegetarian, is your stomach health. That is one of the biggest things, is to take care of that belly and that gut on the inside, the lining and everything on the inside. A lot of people, when they go on diets, they're just thinking about fitting into a couple of sizes down in the jeans or the shirts or the dress sizes down. But the biggest important thing when you're losing weight is just to be overall healthy, whether it's your skin, whether it's your stomach, whether it's getting into that size 8 or size 10 dress. Me, I'd rather be in a size 14. Got a little ways to go, just a little bit. So yeah, digestive system, your intestines, all of those things you want to make sure is in good standing when it's time to lose weight. Because, okay, if you're a female and you know we have that time of the month and we're feeling bloated, that's all in here, that bloatedness. Any time of the month, really, not even just that time of the month, any time of the month where you just feel like you, for instance, if you're not eating the right things and then you're just feeling tired and fatigued and lazy and sluggish, and your stomach is just, you look down and it's just poking out for no reason, and it feels like you got to burp, but you just don't burp for days, or pass gas for that matter. That means there is an internal issue with your digestive system. Constipation, if you're not going to the bathroom regularly, that is a digestive issue. Anyway, the turmeric is to help relieve stomach disorders like gas, bloating, and to further improve your bowel movements. The second thing that I'm going to talk about is going to be the green tea. Now, the green tea, it states it helps elevate metabolic rate. Now, keep that in mind. It helps elevate metabolic rate, increases fat oxidation, and improves insulin activity. This is one of the reasons why I really don't like eating too much sugary foods, because what happens is it turns into the sugar, turns into insulin, and insulin and metabolism, it's kind of like they go like this. You don't want too much insulin, because then it's going to slow down your metabolism. You want to always keep that cycle going. So you want to have the right amount of insulin activity in your gut so that your metabolic rate can keep going and keep spinning. So the second thing would be aloe vera. Aloe vera controls blood sugar levels. It also boosts up that metabolism, aids in digestion, and helps burn those calories. So aloe vera is also a superfood. If you search Google superfoods, it'll give you a list of superfoods. There's plenty of nuts and beans, ligaments that are superfoods, and fruits as well. vegetables. There's plenty of things, a long list of fruits and vegetables that are superfoods and beneficial to weight loss. Aloe vera is one of those things. So again, that just helps burn your calories. Pineapple, that's fiber. Again, fiber does what? It helps your digestion. So again, in order to lose weight, your digestive system has to be healthy. You have to get it going. So pineapple is fiber. Again, it helps with your digestive system, and which is going to aid in weight loss. So then we have the lemon. I know a lot of people do that lemon water with the mint and the cucumbers. That lemon, that the acidicness in the lemon is also going to help with detoxing. It can help clean your liver. And I'm sorry if you see me keep going back and forth. I got a list of stuff that I wrote down. It helps clean your liver, leading to, again, better digestive health. Also increases the metabolic rate. So again, all of those parts on the inside of your stomach, that flab on the inside of that, we got to make sure all of that is good to go. That's your liver, that's your intestines, all of that digestive system, and your kidneys even. Everything works all in one. Your urinary tract, all of that is really good. Thing is going to be the infamous cayenne pepper. I like spicy stuff, so it is spicy, but we're not doing too much cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper increases your metabolism, helps burn calories due to spices. It's a diet-induced thermogenesis, okay, which causes increased metabolism. So to break that down in English, pretty much what that means is the heat, the heat from the cayenne pepper is going to help heat up your body so that it's going to help burn. It's almost like a car. Anytime I talk about losing weight and diet, and I always go back to the car example, just because it's one of the greatest examples. In the wintertime, you don't want to just go from your house and get in the car and start it up and peel off. That's not what you want to do. You want to let it heat up and warm, get that engine flowing, that metabolism flowing, so that you can burn. The object for metabolism is to keep it going so that you're burning calories. You're burning that fat off. I don't know if I talked about apple cider vinegar. I have that last. The apple cider vinegar. There's not really any scientific facts right now about the last two ingredients, which is apple cider vinegar and honey, when it comes to weight loss. It says, everything that I looked up says it can help in burning belly fat with apple cider vinegar. And honey, honestly, I just use the honey, a little bit of honey, just for the flavor. Soak with the tea and all of the rest of the ingredients. I let sit and soak, and I know tomorrow is going to be even better because they'll be soaking overnight. So I have 3 mason jars. I'm going to do one for breakfast, one for lunch, and one for dinner. With my dinner tomorrow, I am going to do a little salad. It's cucumber, corn, and tomatoes with a little bit of Italian and avocado vinaigrette. For breakfast, I'll probably do my shake or smoothie. Most likely it's going to be a shake because it's quick and fast and easy and I'm out the door. And then for lunch, I'm just going to drink this. Today, I actually was really full. Again, I didn't drink this until lunchtime. I drank my water, and then I did my shake, and I wasn't really hungry. Now, I did eat a couple of almonds, and I did hear, now almond is another superfood. Almonds are supposed to keep you full. So if you are trying to fight a craving, or if you're feeling like you're hungry, but you know it's not time to eat just yet, eat 7 almonds, and I can guarantee you will be full. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 lemons. And I'm just going to show you how to do this with 1, and then I'll do the rest off air. And then for the pineapple, I'm going to have to cut off those ends. And today also what I did is, after I drunk it, I ate the pineapple out of it. And I also ate the aloe, which I do like the aloe vera juices that you can buy at like the stores, the convenience stores, QT, all of those stores. Hold on, my kettle is crying again. But I noticed that when I do my face at night and accidentally put my hands on my mouth, or I get the slime in my mouth, it's like, ugh, it's disgusting. I don't rock with it at all. However, with the aloe soaked down in the pineapple with the honey and all of the other ingredients, it actually really wasn't that bad. And I did big chunks. That slimy part got me, but I mean, it wasn't bad at all. Now I know how they do those drinks. So I just cut little slithers of pineapple. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my mason jar back here and slide those down on in. So I'm going to do 2 of those, maybe 3. 2 on a small one. So I have my lemon and my pineapple. Move that over really fast. I'm going to actually go ahead and do these as well, just to get this out of the way. I hope everybody had a great day today. Tomorrow we're in Hump Day Wednesday, so we're almost there. Okay. So now we're moving on to my aloe vera. So I'm just going to cut 2 slithers, actually 3, because I have 3 mason jars. Okay. So what I do is I just cut it down the center. Like so. I mean, it's really slimy, but it feels good on your face. Now I know why it's really good for like sunburn, because it's cold and it's all gooey, and I know, and it feels good on your face. So now that I have those halves, I'm just gonna take it and scoop out the middle, or cut the middle, really. I guess you can scoop it, but and that's just to separate the skin from the actual aloe vera. You see it's drippy. I'm gonna go ahead and add both halves in one. I'm gonna do the same for the other one. Scoop out that middle. Now the second one I'm actually gonna dice a little bit, just to, when all of the tea and everything sits, it goes on the inside of the aloe vera. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to add my cayenne pepper. Now, I'm only using 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper just because it has a kick. It's no joke. So 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And actually that's a lot, but we're gonna go with 1/4. I don't know where my 1 cup measuring thing is. I'm gonna add the mother. So 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay. All right, already. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my green tea bag. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my green tea bag in like so. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my little scooper of turmeric and ginger tea. So I'm going to do 1 scoop. 1 scoop per mason jar. 1 tea bag per mason jar. I'm going to sit that down in there like so. And then I'm going to add my hot water. Now,